how to take 30 seconds exposure photos on iPhone. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. So, if you're looking to elevate your photography game on your iPhone, you're in the right place. Today, we're diving deeper into how to take stunning 30-second exposure photos using the iOS. So, let's get started. Uh, so, not all iPhones support the 30-second exposure, so you'll have to make sure that your phone is updated to the latest iOS 18 version. And then open up the camera app and position your iPhone where you want to take the photo. Now, tap the small arrow in the top middle, that is like the arrow icon. So, tap on it and uh, from here you will need to enable the night mode, so it looks like a moon icon. So this is the night mode, so use this feature to set your exposure to 30 seconds. So you can see it is set to auto 1 second, so you will need to increase the time. And then uh, you can see that it is not dark enough, so it is only reaching max 2 seconds. However, if you are in a dark place, then it can reach up to 30 seconds. Just make sure that you have turned off your live photos, that is on the top right corner of the screen, and you can even use tripod or stand to avoid the blurriness. And that's it. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video, everyone.